This is lesson 5.7, example 2. Brennan bought 7 3/8 pounds of salmon for his family. Each portion was about 1/2 pound of salmon. How many portions could he serve? So, we have a number here, and we have a problem here, and the first thing we need to do is decide, is it a multiplication or division? Well, we have two numbers. We have 7 3/8 pounds of salmon, okay? And each portion was about 1/2 pound of salmon. How many portions? So we are taking this 7 3/8 and dividing it into chunks of 1/2, which makes this a division problem. So let's do division. Whoops. Let's not delete the entire problem. Cool. All right, let's do division. It's going to be 7 3/8 divided by 1/2. And just like with the multiplication problem, the first thing that we need to do is change this mixed number, any and all mixed numbers, into an improper fraction, because we cannot divide 7 by 1/2 and then 3/8 and 1 by 1/2 and then add or whatever. No, we can't do that. We have to change this into a single entity, an improper fraction. And we do that by multiplying our denominator by our whole number and adding our numerator. 8 times 7 is 56, plus 3 is 59. 59 over 8. And then we can just go straight to copy X flip here. Actually, let's not. Divide by 1/2. Now, we are going to go copy X flip for division. Copy X flip. No change there. Just because we're doing a word problem, just because we had to change it into an improper fraction, does not mean we're no longer copy X flip. We are still doing the copy X flip. Do that in green. So, 59 over 8. That one stays. That's copy. Then X. And now I flip this fraction here. 2 over 1. And I could multiply this across. I'd have 8 on the bottom. And my goodness, what is 59 times 2? 60 times 2 is 120. That's 1 less. That's 2 less. So 118. 118 over 8, which I could divide by, let's see here, 2, I guess. Let's see here. Seems kind of silly. Divide by 2. Divide by 2, because both of them are even numbers. I'm not sure what other common factors we have with these two, but I'll start with 2 and go from there. 59, I know that because I just multiplied 59 by 2 to get 118, so dividing it's going to get me the same thing. 8 divided by 2 is 4. I can't think of any common factors that 4 and 59 have, so let's find out how many times does 4 go into 59. Well, let's see here. 59 divided by 4. 4 goes into 5 one time. 1 times 4 is 4. Subtract, that's 1. Bring down the 9. 4 goes into 19 4 times. 4 times 4 is 16. Bring down, and I have a 3. So that'll be 14 and 3/4 there. And again, if I did not want to go through the process of this complicated simplifying, I could do it this way. 59 over 8 times 2 over 1. What do 2 and 8 have in common? Well, they have 2. So I can divide both of these by 2. Divide by 2. And then I'll have 59 times 1 over 4 times 1, which equals 59 divided by 4, which is the same thing. You'll get the same thing here. And you'll still have to do this division up here, but you won't have to do this step, finding the first common factor. You'll be able to see the common factor here instead. To you.